Imagine waking up every morning and seeing money already in your account. No boss, no waiting 30 days, just daily income. Sounds unrealistic? It's not, if you know what you're doing. Right now, most people are stuck in a cycle. They work 8 to 10 hours every day, wait for a paycheck, and by the end of the month, it's already gone. And that's why they never get ahead financially. No extra income, no backup plan. But what if you could break that cycle? In this video, I'll show you 7 side hustles that can actually pay you daily, even if you're starting from zero. These are simple, beginner-friendly, and already working in 2026. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to make money online. You don't need a degree. You don't need years of experience. You just need one simple skill: writing, editing, basic design, even small tasks. You can offer these services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. At first, you may earn small amounts, but once you get reviews, your income can grow fast. And sometimes, you can get paid within days. Start small. Improve daily. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is simple. You promote products and earn a commission for every sale. No product, no inventory, no customer support. You can start with platforms like Amazon. Just share your link. And when someone buys, you earn. One good video or one viral post can bring income every single day. 3. Content creation. Content creation is one of the most powerful ways to earn today. You can post videos on YouTube or short content on TikTok. At first, it may feel slow, but once your videos start getting views, you can earn from ads, affiliate links, and brand deals. And yes, people are making money daily from this. Consistency is everything. 4. AI services. AI is changing everything. Businesses need content, designs, scripts, but many people don't know how to use AI tools. That's where you come in. You can offer services using simple AI tools. No advanced skills needed. Just learn once and start earning. 5. Print on demand. Print on demand is a smart business model. You create designs for t-shirts, hoodies, mugs. Upload them online. And when someone buys, everything is handled automatically. No inventory, no risk. You upload once and keep earning again and again. 6. Digital products. Digital products are one of the best passive income ideas. You can create ebooks, templates, or simple guides. For example, a budget planner, a resume template, or a beginner guide. You create it once and sell it multiple times. That's how real passive income is built. 7. Micro tasks. If you want to start immediately, micro tasks are a good option. Simple online jobs, surveys, app testing. They don't pay a lot, but they can give you daily income. And for beginners, it's a good starting point. Reality check. Now let's be honest. None of these will make you rich overnight. If it was that easy, everyone would be rich. But if you stay consistent and focus on one method, you can build real income. Don't try everything at once. Pick one. Start today. Stay consistent. And if you want more simple ways to make money online, subscribe now and start building your future.